Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the back camera on the Google Pixel for a mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed to the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is the LCD screen removal from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the LCD screen a little. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Next, lift the LCD screen gradually to about 90-degree angle from the top and keep it steady. And then pull out the LCD connector bracket by undoing 2 screws. Next, disconnect the LCD connector to free the screen from the body. Next, eject the SIM tray. Next, undo 8 screws on the mid-frame plate. Next, to pull out the mid-frame plate with the body, use a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker and run through between the back housing and mid-plate to release the clips. When separating the back housing, be gentle with flex cables. Next, while placing the back cover on the surface, slightly place the mid-frame body on the housing. Be gentle in this process. Do not force much on the phone or cables. Next, take out the logic board bracket by undoing 7 screws. Be gentle with flex cables while relaxing the bracket. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect the fingerprint button and flash sensor plugs from the board to release the back cover from the body. Next, disconnect and pull out the front camera. Next, disconnect and take out the headphone jack. Next, take out the speaker by undoing 2 screws and loosening the adhesive. While pulling, be gentle. The antenna board may attach to the speaker. Separate it and pull out the speaker. Next, disconnect the antenna head and the plug from the logic board. Next, undo 3 screws from the logic board. Next, gently loosen the clip and lift the logic board. Be gentle with flex cables. Next, flip the logic board to disconnect and plug the networking rear camera from the board. Next, place the new rear camera on the board. Next, gently place the logic board on the body and then secure 3 screws from the logic board. Next, secure the antenna head and the plug to the logic board. Next, place the speaker by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the headphone jack. Next, place and connect the front camera. Next, maintain the back housing to 90 degrees and then secure the fingerprint and sensor plugs to the board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, place and secure the board bracket by adding 7 screws. Next, from the top, gently slide in the mid-frame body to the housing and then to the bottom. Next, gently press to fasten the clips on the body with the housing. Next, insert the SIM tray. Next, secure 9 screws on the mid-frame plate. Next, place and connect the LCD screen plug and then add 2 screws with the bracket. Next, turn on the device for verification and testing. Next, before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. Gently slide in the screen from the bottom and then to the top. Slightly apply pressure on screen edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tie the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.